In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write alt text for images on your Wix website. If you want to make your website more accessible and improve the way search engines understand your content. Adding alt text to your images is a simple but important step. Alt text or alternative text is a short written description of an image. It helps screen readers describe images to visitors who are visually impaired, and it also gives extra context about your content. To get started, go to the page on your Wix website where the image is located and open Edit Site so you can make changes. Once you're inside the editor, click directly on the image you want to update. When you select the image, you'll see a row of options appear above it. This toolbar gives you access to the settings for that specific image. From that row of options, click the gear icon. This will open the Image Settings panel where you can manage different details related to that image. After the panel appears, look for the Accessibility section and click on it. This is where Wix lets you add information that makes your site easier to use for all visitors. Inside the Accessibility area, you'll see a text field for alt text. This is where you'll type your image description. Keep your alt text clear, specific, and natural. For example, instead of writing something vague like image or photo, describe what is actually shown in the image in a way that adds meaning to the page. If the image is purely decorative and doesn't add useful information, you may want to keep the description minimal depending on how the image is being used on your site. Once you've entered your alt text into the field, that part is done. You've successfully added alt text to your image in Wix. As a quick tip, try to write alt text that matches the purpose of the image on the page. Focus on what a visitor should understand from seeing it. You don't need to stuff it with keywords, and you usually don't need to start with phrases like image of or picture of, because screen readers already identify it as an image. That's all it takes. Open your page in Edit Site, click the image, select the gear icon, go to Accessibility, and enter your alt text in the text field. It's a fast update, but it can make a big difference for accessibility and overall site quality.